राय वरदाय सुरः प्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्हिताय नागाननाय श्रुतियज्ञ विभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्राव्रता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्मा च्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। आविर्बभूव कलशं दधदर्ण वाद्यः पीयूषपूर्ण ममरात्वकृते सुराणां रोगजालजीर्ण जनताजनितः प्रशंसो धन्वन्तरिच भगवान् भविकाय भूयात्। श्री धन्वन्तराय नमः। ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति। Namaskar. We would like to welcome you all on behalf of Independent Research Ethics Society, AYUSH SAMRIDDHI International Webinar Series at milestone of 2632. We are really grateful to Dr. Avtar Singh sir, respected Dr. Avtar Singh sir, Ayurveda Ratna, Ayur Dr. Avtar Singh, renowned herbal medicinal practitioner, founder, Siddha Ayurvedic Clinic, Academy and Research Center. I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for joining. And today's topic is very unique. How can we reverse our immune system? As we all are well aware that this is the fastest webinar series in the world, daily 3 webinars, and it is meant for YouTube. So please circulate YouTube links, Zoom links also, to invite maximum interested persons. Thank you, Dr. Rekha. Dr. Rekha will be the speaker at 10 p.m. on dengue and malaria. So she will also be the speaker in our next webinar. Without wasting much time, I would like to request Ayur Dr. Avtar Singh sir for his blessings.
Thank you. Pranam Sabiko, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
And welcome and thanks to you. Doing great job. And it's very hard work, not easy to do it, but you're doing a lot of blessing from the Prabhu and all of the Ayurveda speakers, Ayurveda public and people. You can, God bless you. Today's, how can we reverse balance our bring our immune system normal position to stay healthy. Nowadays, this is the biggest issue for every person, because all of the world is suffering. We respect to allopathy. They're doing lot of researches, lot of work on that one. They found more than 125 diseases we call bimariyan. They are in the category of autoimmune diseases. In the autoimmune diseases, they try to find out how can these problems are solved. Everybody trying. Every therapy is trying. As a Ayurveda practitioner, our duties also, we have to work on that one. I try and I made so many formulations for that one. As a researcher, I try to find out what is the actually problem in my research, my point of view. We welcome all Ayurveda practitioners, all Ayurveda researchers. We have the lot of people who doing studying that one, and also they trying to find out these kind of problem. In Ayurveda, they also written this one. We, as before I told, it is called asadhya, kashtasadhya, the rogas. And the allopathy, they say autoimmune diseases. Immune system is start working against our body, against our system, against our organs. Actually, what I found, I want to share this one with my all colleagues. This is program especially for the Ayurveda practitioners. And should we come more people as you working hard, but doesn't matter, later on they can see when they have time. Everybody is busy. We should not worry about that one. Your programs are on the YouTube. Anybody can watch that one. Definitely they help to other people, or maybe some other. And also one thing I definitely say today, if anything in my lectures, people think this is different, maybe they not agreed with it one. I'm not saying they don't understand. Maybe they not agreed. They can call you and call to me. We definitely do the clear what is our point of view. And this is the most need at the moment for the human body. Why? First we have to think it, why our body have the problem with the immune system. Immune system is duty to protect our system, to protect our organs, protect our endocrine system. But why that one start working against us? First, we have to understand that one. First, we have to find out that one. What reasons? What, with the experience of the people's interviews, when the patient come to me on the very bad situation, then I take their history. That is, everywhere they take the histories. Every doctor take the histories. My nature is when patient come to me, I take the proper history of them. check up properly, tell them bring the blood report with you. Then I find out our immune system not become upset very quickly. Our immune system fight with the diseases, any diseases you can think. And also, where we do the mistake, because we ignore our sign of our body, our organs. When immune system suffering, whole body is not giving problem. Where they should be agree with me. They start from the one organ. We have 78 organs, big organs, and 43 glands. They are working together, I told so many times. Glands are giving instructions to our organ, looking after our organ, what organs need. They're working together. When they become unbalanced, then our body start giving symptoms. Which organ starts suffering first? Hardly maybe 1 in the 1,000 or 5 in the 1,000 patient, immune system collapse very quickly. Otherwise, our body giving sign when our vital organs start suffering first. We never noticing that one. We ignoring that one. We go to the counter medication. We go to the YouTube. We go to the Google. We do the this and that thing. There are so many nowadays, especially in the herbal therapy, herbal remedies. So many people are giving that one. And our people's nature, if they got any problem, they don't contact the professional. They asking their friends, they asking their relatives, they asking, oh, I have this problem. They start giving instructions like they are very professional. Should not be do it that one. That time when our symptoms appearing in our body or we experiencing that symptoms, that's mean your immune system already is suffering quite a lot from long time ago. Maybe 3-4 months ago, that organ is suffering, then immune system can't control, can't heal self. That isn't the symptom. Symptom is not the first stage. End of the first stage or second stage of the problem. Then we do the mistake. What we do? We asking the friends. There's so many millions of people are on the YouTube, Google, and WhatsApp. You can't see, sometimes feel sick. They're giving remedies, they're throwing remedies like a charity, free. And people are crazy. Patients who are suffering from anything, they start trying that one. Then means you are wasting more time. I'm not saying they all are very unprofessional, but if anybody is a professional, they never tell the people remedy. They tell what your requirement, what your organ need, what kind of help your organ need, what kind of your immune system need help that time. That is the professionalism. Or people, maybe they want to save the money, maybe they don't understand, maybe they are unaware of these things. That time, our immune system go definitely second stage. After they go to second stage, then there's still many people I've seen, they're still not understanding. Then they say, oh, we try so many Ayurveda remedies, Ayurveda medicine. They call name of the medicine. I know some Ayurveda people, they say, this is the medicine, you take it. No. How many people are cured from that one? Millions of people are throwing the remedies, then should be, whole world should be now without any problem. We still not understand. I spoken with that today, my very good friend of Dr. Raghunandan Sharma ji. He said, we was talking about, I told him to come to the today's program, but he's not. Then he said very, very, very good thing to me. People think food is medicine, but he said, I added one, complete this sentence now. I think that sentence is completed. Food is medicine, they say, but medicine is not the food. When on the media, they're throwing the medicine, people eating like a food. He's 100% right. This is my friend, Dr. Raghunandan, working in the UK. He's very good practitioner. He's very good colleague. We done some cases we do together. But he said this should kind of be mentality we have to understand. Why we taking medicine as a food? And according to Ayurveda, all medicine have the doses. And people don't know, don't understand the Ayurveda, don't understand the what kind of dose they need. Maybe they do the mistake. Oh, maybe on the media, somebody say you take the 1 gram of the dose and he taking 5 gram. Oh, people are crazy. They want to very quick result. Maybe they take more. So without any professional advice, taking any medication can give you the big problem, enter to the big problem. Then people start saying, I try Ayurveda. That is not the Ayurveda. Please don't do, you try the Ayurveda. You try your self-medication. That is not the Ayurveda. Ayurveda medication only if given by professional. That is the Ayurveda treatment. Ayurveda treatment is nothing wrong. I said many times, I'm doing Ayurveda from last more than 55 years. Never have any problem. Maybe result becomes slow. There's maybe some mistakes of the patients too. They not follow the proper, but Ayurveda, we never give the overdose to anybody. People are desperate to get rid of their problem and then they start overdose themselves. Please don't say you try Ayurveda. If you try Ayurveda with any professional, I'm sure that one doesn't matter any Ayurveda professional, they are qualified. They know what dose should be applied to this patient, what kind of dose should be given to which patient, what is the diet. Then we can balance our immune system to start looking after our body again. That is the reason nowadays so many people have autoimmune diseases. And allopathy say, oh, these kind of, why they go into autoimmune disease? Why not before they have the problem like this one? Now, these things, autoimmune disease mean not curable. Simple theory. They clearly, they mention there, only you have to take the steroid, antibiotic, painkillers. But no. They can, with the Ayurveda, you can make the balance again, let the help to work again, active again. I say active, immune system become properly active again. If this one is, we do that one, we look after that one, only you can look after when you go to any professional. In every area nowadays, Ayush have so many universities, so many colleges. They are in every area, they have so many Ayurveda professionals. Those Ayurveda professionals can give you the good advice. So many Ayurveda hospitals, you can go there, they can check you properly, then they let you know what is the actually your problem and give them time. Ayurveda is a natural source of the medications. Maybe take little slow, but definitely give you the result. Until you not balance your immune system, you can't get relief from any problem. We have, as I told before, we have 10 vital organs. Not all organs become once together is in a problem. There's different type of the organ, different types of the problems come that one. But when they go to the stage 4 or after the stage 4, then your other organs also start suffering because they are related to each other. Endocrine system, gland system, and organs, they are working together. If one thing wrong, is easy to cure, easy to reverse that one, easy to make them balance, and you don't need to suffer. But people are suffering many years after that one. When they go to stage 4, then they go to the Ayurveda. That's also biggest problem. I always say, if any medication is not working, should not be stuck with that one. Give 2 to 4 weeks. If anything not reverse, then you need to change the physician. Maybe that physician not understand your problem. You have to rethink about that one. With the Ayurveda, as I always say, if within 2 to 4 weeks you can't get any relief from me, you can go somewhere else. No one is perfect. But if you are experienced, if you find the good physician, good qualified physician, then you can definitely get relief starting within 2 weeks. So please, these autoimmune diseases is not the biggest problem. Problem is how we handling our immune system. Not problem the body. We took our system autoimmune disease ourselves. We not look after, we never listen our body. We do over job, we do over work, we take over stress, that one. Then definitely our body have the limit. If we use our system, our body, our organs, our brain over limited, our body need to rest every day, need to good food every day, need to be balance everything, balanced diet every day. If we don't do that one, then definitely we have suffer. It's like you driving your car, the car is not limited. You can't drive more than 60, 70, 80, 90 miles. If you drive 160, 170, that car definitely have the problem. Maybe engine have the problem. Same in our body. Overuse of our system, overuse of our brain, overuse of our body, and not give them proper relief, not check our system, as that is, I always say, at least once a year you have to take full blood checkup. Then you can find what is the problem in our body. If anything overactive or underactive any organ, there are lot of things you can help yourself. Lot of nowadays it's not biggest problem. Lot of technology Everywhere have the blood check system. They're very easy. Within 2 days, you can find out. If you feel anything in your body is abnormal, check up your blood. Go and look after your family physician. It doesn't matter allopathy, homeopathy, it doesn't matter Ayurveda. They are all, I respect every therapy. But doesn't matter if you can't get relief from one therapy, you can change to yourself other one. You have to find other doctor. They all know the body anatomy system of the body. They have the every therapy. They have the medications. I do the Ayurveda. I know better Ayurveda. I don't know the allopathy. I don't know the homeopathy. But I know if any physician is experienced or proper learn that one system, proper understand that kind of any disease, they can give the relief to our patient. Doesn't matter our system gone to autoimmune disease. I treated, I reversed, I balanced so many things. People are taking, they live a good life. Maybe if the damage too much your body, then you have to be look after yourself whole life. If you don't want to be whole life suffer or looked after, then don't let that go your autoimmune disease second or third stage or fourth stage. Before that one, you have to be very careful and alert when your body giving to the sign. That is the way we can balance our autoimmune disease. And very important, they give the name of autoimmune disease. Everybody understand now. I think they give the very, very good name. But when autoimmune disease mood is come, our body not looking after. That is the mean, that one. So you want to be not go on that stage. First thing to do it, do blood checkup, find out and look after your body system. Don't delay. First thing you have to do it as soon as possible to look after, go to the any good physician. Discuss with them. Not on the media remedy, not a relative, not on counter medications. Many people, they come to me, they say, we try to iron, so we try to multivitamin, we try to vitamin D, C, this one, B. I seen the people have the vitamin D 100 times extra in their body. Ferritin go to 600, that one. Iron level go more than limit. Then you also, if you are over limited, then you also have the your immune system can affect and they can give you the big problem. Our body need balance, like your life need balance, everyday balance. We have only 24 hours. That 24 hours we balancing. We know tomorrow we going 8 o'clock to the work, and from there 5 o'clock on 6 o'clock we have the free. How you working in that discipline there on your work because you getting the money. After that one, you don't bother. You have to eat on time. You have to sleep on time. You have to drink enough water. If you do these little things, don't take any stress. If somebody giving you stress, you don't need any medication. Many times I say there's it is blood pressure and other things. 50% you don't need medication for these things. But if your organs start suffering, if you damage your organ with the stress, then you definitely need the treatment. But if you learn how to deal with other people who giving you stress, then you don't need any medication. If you learn how much I have to sleep, how much your body need to sleep, different age needs a different kind of sleep. How much your water your body needs, if you give them proper water, then you don't have the problem. Your cleansing system is working properly. If you don't drink properly, maybe you have the constipation, the intestine problem. We have to be small thing, learn. Thanks to Dr. Pawan. He doing the great thing. Watch his videos. He have so many professional people come here and give the advice. Take the join the system. We are educating you, all my friends, all my public. We educating. We not taking any money. He don't taking any money. Why we educating? We want. This is our charity. This is our seva. I'm surprised, Dr. Pawan every day do this 3-4 hours. He preparing maybe take 2 hours, 3 hours over there. He's working like a crazy person. Over limited. I told him 2-3 times. I tell him, well, don't do too much. But he don't listening to me too. This is he doing great job. You should take the advantage. Also, I say to the Ayurveda practitioners who are recently coming out from there, not I'm saying because I'm doing the program, come to here there. You can ask the question. And also there's so many. I seen very great doctors coming. They are great speakers. They have the great knowledge, wise knowledge of the health. Please watch their program. If you can't attend to the program live, you can watch their program on the YouTube. But if you can join the program, come there, ask the question who you are giving the lecture there, who is giving the advice. Ask them if you have any question in your mind. If you do that, we learn from each other. No one is perfect. What I'm talking today, I'm talking my experience and my research. Why I'm giving? Because we want our duty, all Ayurveda practitioners, when we learn the Ayurveda, our duty to look after our all human nature, all humanity. That isn't we doing. No one paying to Pawanji, no one paying. Any speaker is coming, they are doing free seva, free job. So these kind of advice to bring our autoimmune disease on the normal. Many people ask any remedy. That is the biggest one problem. As I told before, people throwing remedies unnecessary. People take it that 3 months, use it, that remedy, not get the benefit. They say, oh, we tried. That is not the Ayurveda. Ayurveda only say, please don't say you try the Ayurveda. Try Ayurveda practitioner. If you Ayurveda practitioner not give you that one, and also I told before, don't use more than 2 to 4 weeks. Any physician, doesn't matter allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurveda. If you can't get any benefit, means you need to change the physician. Maybe he not understand that physician. What is your actual problem? Everybody is not perfect. Even me, doesn't matter. We are also like a human being. We learn the Ayurveda. They learn the allopathy, homeopathy. They are also human being. No one is completely 100% perfect. But you have to look after yourself. This is today's program for all the public. Help. How can they reverse their system, balance their system to live the good life, not the suffer whole life of the medication? Ayurveda can help. You no need whole life medication. But Ayurveda need to time because they are all Ayurveda is treating their patient natural way. Every Ayurveda practitioner have their own experience. Every Ayurveda have their own system. They have to check properly your pulse. They have to check it. They have to check your Vat, Pitta, Kapha. They take which one is unbalanced. Then he or she, or Ayurveda practitioner, they prescribe for you. Maybe they do the medication like a custom made for you. They are responsible then. They find for you the good medication from the good pharmacy. If you're doing yourself, it's human nature. They want to cheapest thing in the market. Maybe those companies are not very good. Maybe that ingredient is very old, which one are you using? When any professional giving it to you, they are very responsible. All the universities, Gurukul, they teach us when we learn that one, what kind of the age should be that herbs, how old you can use it, what is the actually herbs, okay? There's a lot of fake things, people. Don't say Ayurveda not, you not tried the Ayurveda. If you want to try the Ayurveda, go to the professionals. Not the media remedy doctors. I call them media remedy doctors. They can't give you maybe 2, 3, 4% somebody luckily, okay? You can get the relief. But if you go to professional, perfect, properly Ayurveda learned person, you definitely get the relief. Then autoimmune disease is not the big thing. First thing, take it from your mind. With the Ayurveda, definitely you can get the relief. Doesn't matter any. I told you why body going to autoimmune disease, because the organ is unbalanced. If one connection is not coming in the system, all organs and endocrine system, they're working together. If one link is missing, doesn't matter any medication you take it, that is then you are suffer until you're not connected properly. It's like an electronic system, like electrical wiring. We have the so many Chandranadi, Surya Nadi, we have the system, that one. Without system, it's automatic system of our body. No one can make automatic system like this one. God made it. We are living on the food only. Our battery runs 100 years, more than 100 years. Our eyes work 100 years. Our teeth work. We do the job, enjoy our life more than 100 years. But if you don't look after, maybe people go 30, 40, 50. Whose fault? You should stay healthy. I'm not say any word like against Prabhu, God. What age God give us, our duty is to stay healthy on that age. If we were lying on the bed like a cabbage, that's not God give. Don't blame to God. Think what we done wrong. That is the autoimmune disease when they become the problem in the body. Then we start blaming, oh, God, this is God. Not God's will. God's will, God is love everyone. I always say to my patient, don't think this is God given. You think first, analyze yourself, find where you done the mistakes. We do the mistakes, everybody know. Everybody know 999 people, they don't bother. As I told you, with the overworking, over stress, over everything. No, don't take it that one. Love yourself. Look after yourself. Then no any autoimmune problems come in the body. If you look after yourself, love yourself. You are the person, should be your best friend. If you are healthy, you can help your friends. If you are not healthy, you need all the time help from another friend. Maybe they don't have the capacity to help you. They don't have the health capacity to help you. They don't have the... No, why we depending on other people? Why we thinking, oh, doesn't matter, somebody can help me? I sometimes many people, old people, we thought our children can help you. I said, why not you look after yourself? There's so many examples. The people are they're living more than 100 years. They're living very good life. They don't need anything from anybody. Their health is perfect. When you ask them, interview them, they say, we look after ourselves. We don't take any stress. Let them do what people do. Let them children what they want to. When they grow up, when you grow up, you do what you want to do it. Let your children live what they want to do it. Let them fly. I wrote one, write some poet. ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਪੰਛੀ ਨੂੰ अपनी ਭਰਨ उड़ान दे बच्चे एक पंछी की तरह जैसे पंछी अपने बच्चों को नहीं रोक कर रखते उसको उड़ो जहां जाना है चौका चुको हम उनसे प्रेम से रहो अगर वो प्रेम करते हैं तो उसको सत्कार अगर आपको वो नहीं भी चाहते तो आपने अपने जीवन के लिए जी रहे हैं ये सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेस है तो nowadays the stress have from the family too don't too much somebody to arrest them. I'd say, why we arresting somebody? Don't do the blackmail. Don't come under the blackmail. Love yourself. When you love yourself, there's no any autoimmune disease can come in your body. Your health, your organs stay happy. Your organ work properly. Eat properly. Not overeating. Not have anything. Don't do over. Any stress. Thinking, no. When you do this then you don't have any problem. I seen the people, they are never sick. I seen the 80, 90 years people, they are, when I ask them, have you anything? No, I'm okay. No, I know any problem. They even don't have the headache. One person asked me, you still sleep? I say, I sleep like a baby. I don't have the headache. I don't know what is the bloody headache. I never have the headache. I make rules for me. I'm stay on the rules because I love myself. I'm not the selfish. I do what I can do for the family, do for the friends. If there's somebody want to overuse you, so no, do yourself. You have to put your foot down. No, my body is not allow more than this one. If you take burden from everywhere, then definitely one day your system, nervous system is breakdown first. Our organ is not breakdown first. Our nerve endocrine system breakdown first. That is the main beginning of the autoimmune diseases. That when our system, nervous system is breakdown, then our organs start suffering. So you have to control your emotions, control your nervous system. Don't let anybody break your nervous system. Stress. They are all belong to endocrine system. When they are suffering, then your organs start suffering. Organs are never suffer otherwise. First, our nervous system is suffering. So that is the main reason. If you want to protect that one, you have to protect your nervous system, endocrine system, gland system. Don't let them suffer. They live on your controlling. Food, they don't need much. All the glands, they don't need too much blood. They are working like each other towers of the, like a telephone towers. When we feel hungry, then they advise us, tell the brain, oh, eat something. When organs say, I need something food. Who told you? Liver not come and told you. Your brain told you. Your nervous system told you. So understand these things, then our immune system is stay balanced. When they stay balanced, we can stay healthy, we can enjoy our life, but you have to be maintain your problem, your everyday's how can you handle your brain, how can you handle your nervous system, and then organs are definitely stay balanced. If any problem come, don't waste time. When the symptoms start, as I told you, go and see your professional, your family doctor, any doctor you like, that one. I think this is the what I see in the experience. When I do the autoimmune diseases treatment, I don't do the organ first. I do their balance, their brain endocrine system. That is, after my research, I found that we can get so many autoimmune diseases, nearly 50, 52 autoimmune diseases. We done the balance. Doesn't matter. We have the list. Dr. Pawan, they have the list of that one. I done that one. So from today, I think any question anybody have, and I'm most welcome. I can give the answers. Thank you very much. My time is up. Okay, we can. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
Your time can never be up, sir.
No, my rules is I can talk 24 hours, no problem. आपका आशीर्वाद है. I can talk 24 hours, but there's limited. Next program is also coming, and you doing and everybody. This is I want teaching now. You have to keep the balance.